I'd like to thank my friend Charlene for this quick and easy recipe to make a traditionally complicated dessert, chocolate mousse. Today you'll need heavy whipping cream, powdered sugar, cocoa powder. We're going to use both almond and vanilla extract today, and a couple of cookies for a garnish. Take 1/2 cup powdered sugar and 1/4 cup cocoa powder and mix them in a small bowl to remove all the lumps that might be in the sugar or the cocoa. Next, you'll take a bowl and add 1½ cups whipping cream. If the bowl has been chilled, it will make this process go quicker. I'm using a hand mixer to mix the whipping cream until it's a bit thick and just frothy. Add the dry ingredients and mix till we get to about a soft peak stage. Then we will add the flavorings. 1/4 teaspoon almond extract and 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract. Mix again until we come to a stiff peak stage. Removing your beaters will show you the stiff peaks. Then take a large cup and a Ziploc bag if you'd like to pipe your dessert into your dishes. Simply add the mousse to the cup. You could use a spoon to do this as well if you don't want to use the piping bag. Clip the tip of the piping bag off, or the gallon-sized Ziploc, and pipe into your dessert dishes. Add the cookie. If you'd like to add whipped topping, you can. If you'd like to add a strawberry or a raspberry, anything goes at this particular point. It's already going to be delicious. I'm going to microplane a little chocolate across the top. You could use a carrot peel or two to use a little chocolate garnish. We'll give it a try. It's light, sweet, delicious, a great dessert for Valentine's or any day.